In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place an image in Adobe Illustrator. Placing an image is the clean, professional way to bring photos, logos, or textures into your Illustrator document without disrupting your layout. It keeps your artwork organized and gives you control over file size and portability. Let's walk through it together, step by step, so you know exactly what to expect on screen and why each choice matters. Start by going to the File menu at the top left and choosing Place. This command is different from Open. Instead of creating a new document, it inserts your image into the document you already have open. When the system dialog appears, navigate to the image on your computer. Common formats like JPEG, PNG, TIFF, and PSD work well. Select the file you want to use. Before you confirm, take a moment to look at the options in the dialog box. You'll see a checkbox labeled Link. If you check Link, Illustrator references the image from its original location rather than embedding it inside your .ai file. This keeps your Illustrator file smaller and lets you update the image externally. If the source file changes, your document can reflect that update. The trade-off is that you must keep the image file organized and accessible. Moving or renaming it later can break the link. If you leave Link unchecked, Illustrator embeds the image. That makes your document self-contained and easier to share without missing assets, but it increases file size and the image won't auto-update if the original changes. Choose the option that fits your workflow, then click Place. Your cursor will now be loaded with the image. You have two simple ways to position it. If you click once on the artboard, Illustrator drops the image at its original size. This is quick, but be aware that high-resolution images may appear quite large. If you prefer more control, click and drag on the artboard to draw a box. Illustrator will place and scale the image to fit the size you define as you drag. If it ends up larger or smaller than you intended, don't worry, you can adjust size and position after it's placed. That's all there is to it. Remember, linking is great for keeping files lightweight and updatable, while embedding is best when you need a portable, all-in-one document. Keep your linked images in a consistent folder alongside your project if you chose the link option. With these basics, you can place images